This is mod 2 for the seated spine twist. Starting with your feet extended in front of you, just find the sits bones first. So those now become your feet. And then drawing that right leg up towards you, picking up that right foot and placing it onto the outside of that left leg. Imagine pushing your left foot into a wall in front of you. Interlace the fingers below your knee onto the shin. First, get a nice long spine. From here, keeping the integrity and the length of the spine, hook your left elbow around your right knee, and then just start to bring your right hand to the right of your hip. Take an inhale here, push into your sits bones, and then as you exhale, squeeze your belly in and feel how that core action moves the upper spine. Moving with your breath. Inhale, breathe all the way up through to the ribs, and then as you exhale, squeeze your belly in and feel the rotation on the axis of the spine. To come out, let your eyes face forward, let the body follow. Breathe. Take a breath in, let go, and make sure you do the second side.